You can easily log into WhatsApp Web without needing the QR code. You can alternatively use your phone number to be able to log in on any other device, whether it's a tablet or a computer, and to be able to chat on that device as well. I'll show you exactly how it works. Open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android and tap on the U button at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Linked Devices and tap on Link a Device. You will usually need to enter in your Face ID, and by default it says to use a QR code. But instead of that, let's tap Link with Phone Number instead. It says to get your code, go to WhatsApp on a web or another device and hit Link with Number. So all you're going to do on the other device is open up a web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Now from here, all you're going to do is hit enter your phone number. So just enter in your mobile phone number. Let me autofill mine real quick. And after I've done that, it says SMS sent, check your messages. All you need to do is go to check your messages and then essentially enter it in from WhatsApp and enter in the code that it gives you in this app, and then it will link your phone, iPhone or Android WhatsApp, over to the web version of WhatsApp as well. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.